At Shari's, we strive to continually reduce our impact on the environment. We have programs to manage our energy and water use. In the past few years, we have reduced our energy use by 9% and have seen a 30% reduction in water usage. In addition, we are generating 20% less waste. We are proud of our accomplishments regarding the environment, and as you can see, we won the Governor's Sustainability Award in 2013. We were also the very first restaurant company to join the Department of Energy's Better Buildings Challenge. The purpose of this tutorial is to help you understand your important role in helping us in this important goal. At Shari's, we have a lot of equipment that is duplicated, and we are also open 24 hours a day. Each restaurant has 2 4-foot grills. That is a lot of space to heat. The quiet times of the day are usually very predictable and give us the opportunity to turn the second grill off when it is not needed. Turning off the second grill when not needed has the potential to save the most energy of almost anything else that we can do. Here are some tips to help reduce the energy used by your grills. Click Continue when you are ready to move forward. The broiler is used to prepare steaks, hamburgers, grilled chicken breasts, salmon, and sausage links. Depending upon the time of day, less broiler space may be needed. Typically, during breakfast and graveyard, you can turn off a burner or 2. You should never have less than 4 burners operating, or the broiler will not hold temperature. Also, keep the broiler clean. If your broiler has clogged grates, like the picture here, you will have to turn it up higher to maintain temperature, and that is a waste of energy. Many times egg burners are left on when we are not cooking eggs or when we are done heating soups. While we would not expect you to turn the burners on and off during breakfast, if you are not constantly cooking eggs, you can limit the number. All frozen items that require thawing are thawed in the walk-in under refrigeration. At times, due to poor planning, you may see items force-thawed under running water. This is not only a waste of water, but it also destroys the quality of the product being thawed. Make freezer pulls as often as needed to thaw product properly. The same principles that apply at home apply at the restaurant. There is no need to have lights on in such places as the storeroom, walk-in, freezer, or chemical closet when no one is in there. If you use these areas, turn the light off when you leave. We can save energy by not making our refrigeration systems work any harder than they have to. Simple things like not overstocking pans. In the picture on the left, the pans are a little more than half full. This is enough to get through a shift. The product stays colder, and the refrigeration doesn't have to work as hard. In the picture on the right, notice that there is space between the containers. This allows air to flow around the product, again keeping it colder with less effort and also aiding in thawing. At Shari's, we use a lot of ice cream, specifically to make our unique pie shakes. At times, it may be tempting to leave the ice cream freezer lid open to make the ice cream a bit softer and easier to scoop. You should always resist this temptation, as it not only wastes energy, but also uses more ice cream to make the milkshake thick. Resist the temptation to prop refrigeration and outside doors open. In the case of refrigeration, this not only wastes energy, but also causes product to deteriorate. Propping outside doors open wastes energy too. It is also a security and safety risk. Lastly, when using the dishwasher, make sure that the racks are full. As you can see on the left, only full racks are going through the machine. On the right, the racks are only half full. This wastes water and energy to heat the water, and it also wastes expensive chemicals. As you can see by the accompanying chart, we have the opportunity to save a lot of energy by focusing on a few things. If you are a cook, server, or dishwasher, you can help the most by turning off equipment when it is not needed and limiting running water or leaky faucets. Thanks for taking the time to learn about our energy saving program, and we appreciate your efforts in helping Shari's be environment friendly.